We're gonna do a Gooseberry Falls boat race. Bowden and Brindley are down there. I told them I'm gonna chuck in the boats, see which one makes it. I'll find out. Ready, set, go. Bowden, here they come, dude! Bowden, you ready, bud? Ah, they're stuck. Yo! Look at them getting stuck in the little pools. Here it comes, dude! Go! Come on! Oh, this one got beached. Oh, excuse me. Looks like the blue one. They all needed a little help to get down, didn't they?
Oh, so hard swimming there, Dad. Dad, you should get your swimming stuff on.
Started.
Dad.
Stuck, stuck, stuck. Which one's gonna win? This one might get beached.
Oh!
Oh, it got flipped upside down too.
So did that one up. Well, this one won.
Blue. You're gonna be able to grab that one? Attaboy. Having fun today at Gooseberry Falls.
Dad, you should get your swimming trunks on.
Yeehaw!